Okay, this idea was suggested to me. Out. I was trying to figure out what I could use for a baseboard, and Lori with Lori's RV Life suggested rope. Awesome idea. Because I can form it and I can nail this to the floor by using these little things. And yes, the edge will have to be out on the floor because there's no way I can do it on the other side, but that's okay. It'd be fine. And I believe I'll use these screws because I really like the looks of them. They're nice and flat, and I just like the industrial look of them. So we're gonna get busy and do this little job. Make sure that the screw fits that hole fine. Come on. Jeez. Okay, yes, it does. It won't go through. Okay, we're good to go. I'm a little nervous about drilling through this floor, but it's got, got to do something here, right? Okay, let's get started. Today is Thursday, March 19th, 2020. I haven't gotten a whole lot done in here lately. I've had too many issues otherwise. And when I can, I sneak over here for breaks. Okay, I'm going to try to push that against here so that I can get a nice tight mount. Oh dear. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I will have my arms in the way, I'm going to push this against the siding so that I can get a nice tight mount, put in my pilot hole here, and put my screw in there. Oh, I hate to do this. My poor floor. Oh, goodness. Okay. I will be so glad when I get all these, this kind of stuff done. It's getting kind of tiring now. Okay. First one's down. Awesome. Okay, I'll just keep on going. Yeah, I can't really show you too much because my hands and my arms will be in the way. But you get the idea. This is how far I've gotten so far. Almost halfway there. Just have to move my cabinet stuff, get it out of the way. Okay, I needed one more. Go figure, just one more. So I'll get another one next time I'm out. It's not imperative that it be done today. Yeah, it's a little rough looking, but then again, so is the Twinkie. She's got her character, right? So, there we go. So I got my rope baseboard in. And I have thinner rope to put at the top part. And that I will be hot gluing down. Whew. I'm ready for a break.